Everywhere you go, global navigational satellite systems such as GPS are changing the way people determine their location, plan routes, track movements, verify speeds, and tell time. Meanwhile, more than 12,000 miles overhead, GPS satellites orbit the Earth, each continuously transmitting a signal that contains synchronized time, information identifying the satellite, its orbital data, the expected positions for all satellites in the system, as well as other data. A GPS receiver uses this information to achieve its navigation solution. As receivers are built into more mission-critical devices for difficult application environments and designed with the emerging capabilities of a multitude of GNSS constellations, developers and manufacturers need better ways to guarantee performance. That's where simulation comes in. Without simulation, attempts to test receivers with over-the-air signals would be limited to the satellites available at a particular time and place and under current conditions. Testing remote locations or high velocities would be costly, time-consuming, or impractical. And with live signals, test parameters would never be repeatable. GPS simulators generate signals to create an environment for a GPS receiver under test, simulating virtually any set of conditions or scenarios with exact repeatability. The Spectracom line of simulators saves time and money by testing a wide range of programmable and repeatable conditions at a surprisingly affordable cost. One model, the GSG L1 signal generator, offers one satellite simulation to verify signal acquisition and validate assembly. Fast, simple, and repeatable. Ideal for manufacturing test. The GSG constellation simulators expand test capabilities to include positioning and navigation, simulations that require multiple satellite signals, and the ability to simulate a moving receiver on the ground, in the air, or on the sea. GSG constellation simulators model all these properties, including signal transit time and relativistic effects to test a receiver's ability to operate under a wide range of conditions. You can validate the signal level required to acquire and maintain a position fix. Simulate the motion of high-speed aircraft or missile trajectories, including rapid changes in direction. Test anywhere in the world, right from your bench or manufacturing line. Simulate multipath situations where signals are received at different times, different frequencies, and different power levels. Evaluate noise sensitivity with a built-in white noise generator to test signal-to-noise ratio limits. And you can simulate other navigation signals, such as those generated by satellite-based augmentation systems. The economical GSG line makes it affordable to conduct more tests more often from the test bench or manufacturing line. Simply select from one of the built-in test scenarios, such as 3GPP mobile phone standards, or edit an existing scenario, or build your own scenario offline and upload it. GSG Studio View Windows software makes creating and editing a scenario simple. You can transfer data and control the simulator through a variety of communication interfaces. And a web interface allows for full remote control of the instrument. You can test timing-related GPS functions through several interfaces and options. When you run a scenario, the simulator generates data that the receiver under test sees as actual GPS satellite transmissions as received under the conditions you determined for the test. So if you want to test more parameters more often with extreme flexibility in development and manufacturing, save time and money by thinking inside the box. Easy to use and affordable GPS simulators, only from Spectracom.